Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I'll share with you how to change your WordPress password on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first, I will jump to the websites page to open one of my websites. This is our WordPress website. I will open it in a new tab. So for you, access or visit your WordPress site URL. Then add, after your domain name, add /w/ or backslash. I'm not sure what we call it. Then add wp-admin to jump to the login page. Here, click on lost your password and fill in either your username or your email address of your own profile on your WordPress site. In my case, I remember my username, so I will fill it and click on get new password. Now I expect this password reset email from my website, and as you see, someone has requested a password reset for the following account. Yes, this is my website. The username also is mine. If this was a mistake, no. To reset your password, visit the following address. Click on it. And here you can set a new password. Let's hide my password. So I will delete this one and write my own password. Click on save password. And just like that, your password has been reset. Now let's log in using my new password. Click on login. And this is how to change your WordPress password on Bluehost. Now let's see a second method to change your WordPress password on Bluehost. Go back to your Bluehost account. Then from the websites page, you will see the available websites on your account. Next to the website you want to change the password for, click on manage. Then jump to users tab. And next to your username, click on these three dots and select reset password. You will jump to your own profile page on your WordPress dashboard, and here click on set new password. Delete this suggested one. Then create your own new password. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Click on update profile. As you see, profile updated, which means your password is changed. And before wrapping this video, let's see this new message or email message that I received. Password changed. This notice confirms that your password has changed on your website. If you did not change your password, please contact the site administrator at this address. This email has been sent to this email address. And this is how to change your WordPress password on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.